Hello everyone. Today I have brought something for you. A product that will make your life easier. And it will make your meals taste amazing. It's a cooking make easy review. Yes, this is a complete review of the Instant Pot Do Crisp 11-in-1 electric multi-pressure cooker plus air fryer. This is a product of its kind that is #1 in the United States and Canada. Let's start. Instant Pot Duo Crisp XL 8 QT 11-in-1 multi-electric pressure cooker plus air fryer. Combo with multi-cooker lid. Best of both air frying and pressure cooking. 11-in-1 functionality. Air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, warm, mini oven, saute, roast, steam, sous vide, broil, dehydrate. Air fry uses 95% less oil. Cook crispy meals with the air fryer lid. The healthier way to cook using 95% less oil compared to deep fat frying. Oven crisp technology for the perfect crunch. Easy release switch for quick steam release cook. Switch, crisp. With 2 removable lids, you can cook and crisp all in one pot. In most countries like America, Canada, etc. The #1 most loved multi-cooker. Easy to use controls. Here are 11 cooking programs in one touch. Compared to the oven, easily switch between pressure cooking and air frying. Simply add or remove the pressure cooling cover, using up to 80% less energy. Ultimate one-pot meals. Speedy weekday dinners with the pressure cooking lid, 70% faster than traditional methods. Best in both worlds. The best of both air frying and pressure cooking with Duo Crisp. With quality accessories, dishwasher-safe multi-cooker lid, air fry lid, broil dehydrate tray, air fry basket, dishwasher-safe stainless steel inner pot, steam rack. Compared to traditional deep frying, all crunch, zero guilt oven crisp technology creates the perfect crunch with 95% less oil. Save up to 80% energy. Spacious 5.7-liter capacity to cook up to 6 portions. So, why yesterday? Why not today? Get extra discount with Prime Deal. Get free delivery. Get fast delivery. The precious time of life that has passed will not come back. Enjoy your life today. The product link is given in the description. Buy now and enjoy life. And you can watch more related videos on my channel about Instant Pot price and much more. If you like the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.